Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I would like to discuss Unit 1 from Workbook. The skeleton, number 1, label the skeleton, use these words jaw, spine, leg bone, hip, rib cage, skull, arm bone. So you can see jaw, skull, spine, rib cage, hip, arm bone, leg bone. I have labeled. Just check it. Now, number 2. The skeleton has three main functions, jobs. Tick to show which sentences are true and which are false. The function of the skeleton is to support your body, true. To hide parts of your body, false. To protect parts of your body such as the brain, lungs, and heart, true. To help your body move, true. To keep your body healthy, false. Now the bones. The complete the sentence is my bones are important because bones supports our body. Number 2, conduct research to find out why the number of bones change as we grow from baby to child. Write what you find out here. Babies are born with 300 bones. As they grow, their bones grow together. Number 3, research the food that help to keep your body healthy. Cheese, yogurt, okra, sardines are food that keep your bones healthy. Number 4, list 4 types of exercise that can help to keep your bones healthy. Running, jogging, skipping, walking, or if you want to write your own examples, so you can write. Now muscles. Complete the sentences below. Use these first. Contracts, relax, shorter muscles. Dash are attached to bones, muscles. When a muscle dash gets shorter, it gets dash. This pulls up the bones it is attached to. So when a muscle contracts, it gets shorter. C. When a muscle dash, it returns to normal size, relaxes. Now, number 2, on the outline below, label the muscles are found in the body. I have labeled for you, just check it. Neck, shoulder, chest, upper arm, bicep, stomach, side, forearms, inner thigh, lower legs. So we have muscles on these locations. Now joints, ball and socket or hinge joint. Number 1, look at these two joints. One is ball and socket joint, the other is hinge joint. Hip, you can see there is a hip diagram, hip joint and knee joint. Use the classification key to identify which joint is which. Move your own hip or knee to help you. Write the name of the body part, hip or knee, in the correct place on the key. You have to use only two words, knee and hip, but you have to read the whole key diagram. Do two bones meet? Yes or no? If you are saying no, so not a joint, yes, this is the joint. Do the two bones move backward and forward? Yes. Then it is hinge joint, and the example of hinge joint is knee. You have to write knee. Now, no. Does the joint move in different directions? Yes. Ball and socket joint, you have to write hip. And in case of no and the type of joint, there are other four types of joint. We are not discussing it. Just write knee or hip. Now, skeleton words. Number 1, The letters of these words are mixed up. Put them in the correct order to spell some bones in the body. Kull, Sbri, This is spine, this is foot, skull, leg, ribs, rib cage. Okay, so I have correct them. So just check it. Now, number two, here is a skeleton of a hawk. Label the parts of the skeleton. Use these words: skull, feet, ribs, eye socket, leg. So you have to label all these. And B, what type of animal is a hawk? Use information in the image above to help you. So you can see this rib cage and it's a bony structure. It has bones, so it is vertebrate. C, check your answer by researching what a hawk look like. Were you correct? Yes, it's look like a bird. We were correct. And D, what part of skeleton is labeled X? The answer is wings. Compare skeletons. Number one, label the different parts of the skeleton of a snake. Use these: fangs, jaws, ribs, spine. I have done for you, just check it. Number two, look carefully the skeleton of the hawk, page 8, and the snake above. Compare the two skeletons. What is similar about them? So you can see ribs and spines are similar. B. What is different above them? Skull and feet. Now, number three, all these skeleton on these two pages have something in common. They all have a spine or backbone. What classification do we give to animal that have a backbone? They are called vertebrate. Give the name of the group. So you have to write the name of this group as well. This is fish. Now the topic is X-rays. Number one, poor Raina, she was riding her bicycle when she fell off. She hurt herself badly and was taken to hospital. A doctor took these x-rays of her bones. A. Which part of the body can you use in the x-ray? These are hands. B. Raina has broken two bones in this part of her body. Use a research inquiry to find out the names of the bones she has broken. Write them here. So you can say wrist bone and finger bone. And if you are going to write specifically, so you can use radius and ulna. Otherwise, you can write wrist bone and finger bone. Number two, Raina also broke a bone in her hand. Which finger she break? So after thumb, first finger, you can see in the picture, this is index finger. And B, how can you tell that the bone is broken? By X-ray. What is the name of the medical person who takes X-ray? You may need to research this. Radiologist. Now, soft animals. Number one, some of the animals below have a skeleton, some do not. A. Sort them into groups on separate sheet of paper. How many different ways can you sort them? So just write vertebrate, invertebrate. So I have written on picture, human is vertebrate, snake is vertebrate, jellyfish is invertebrate, beetle invertebrate, fish vertebrate, rabbit vertebrate, crab invertebrate, and sea cucumber is invertebrate. So this is the one way to sort these. So you can use another way as well. You can say that animals live in water and animals live on land. So jellyfish, fish, crab,
sea cucumber will be in another group, and other rest of the animal will be in different group. And there is another question. C. How will you share your you have sorted? Take one of these ideas. So you can use table, you can use Venn diagram, you can use coral diagram, simple key, and Venn classification circles as well. So I have made a table. So I have a tick on table. So you can see there is a table, vertebrate, invertebrate. So all these things can be used to classify animals or identify animals or to make groups of animals. This is self check. There are three phases. First one is I can do this. Number two, I can do this, but I need to keep trying. Number three, I can't do this yet. So if you are able, I can do this. So read the sentences and you are able to do it. So you have to make a tick under first phase. And if you have any problem, so you can take the next one. And if you are not able to do anything, so you can make a tick under the third phase. So it's up to you. Do it. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.